In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Notion. Highlighting in Notion is a simple way to draw attention to key ideas, call out action items, or make long notes easier to scan. Whether you're organizing meeting minutes or building a personal knowledge base, a little color can make your content far more readable. Start by selecting the exact text you want to emphasize. Click and drag your mouse across the words, or double click to grab a single word and triple click to grab an entire line or paragraph. If you prefer the keyboard, hold Shift and use the arrow keys to expand or contract your selection until it's just right. On mobile, tap and hold, then drag the selection handles. Take a moment to confirm you've selected only what you want to highlight. This helps keep your formatting clean and consistent. Once your text is selected, look for the small formatting toolbar that appears just above or below your selection. Click the option labeled Text Color, often indicated by an A icon with a color underline. If you don't see the mini toolbar, you can also reveal formatting controls from the page toolbar at the top after clicking on your text. The goal here is simply to open Notion's color menu so you can choose how your emphasis will look. With the color menu open, pick the style that suits your content. You'll see a palette of options organized into two types: text colors and background colors. For classic highlighting that looks like a marker streak behind your words, choose a background color, such as yellow, blue, or green. If you only want the letters themselves to change color, choose a text color instead. As soon as you click a color, Notion applies it to your selection, so you can immediately see how it reads against your page. If the color isn't quite right, simply reopen the text color menu and try a different shade until it feels balanced with the rest of your document. To remove highlighting or revert to the default look, choose the None option in the same menu. You can undo any change instantly with your standard undo shortcut as well. A few quick tips to keep things looking professional. Stick to one or two highlight colors for consistency, pick high contrast options for readability, and reserve bright colors for the most important points. Highlights work on headings, inline text, and database properties, so you can keep your visual language consistent throughout your workspace. And that's it. Select your text, open the text color menu, and choose the color you like. Simple, clear, and effective.